Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Woolmark or compatible care symbol, then sort colors and weights so wool items wash together. Next, close zippers and turn garments inside out to protect fibers. Add the measured wool detergent to the detergent drawer or cap. Don't overdo it. Select the wool or hand wash program and set temperature to 30 degrees C or cold. This reduces agitation and risks. Load items loosely, filling no more than half the drum so fibers can move. Then press start and watch the first gentle agitation cycle begin. Once the machine runs, make sure you've selected a low spin speed, 400 to 600 RPM, so the wool fibers aren't stretched or matted. If your washer offers an extra rinse, enable it to clear residual detergent that can stiffen wool. Keep an eye on foam levels. Excess suds mean too much detergent and may require a repeat rinse. If the load becomes unbalanced and bangs, pause, open the door when safe, and redistribute items evenly to maintain gentle, even motion through the remaining cycle. When the cycle ends, remove garments promptly to prevent creases and matting. Reshape each piece gently while damp and lay flat on a towel or drying rack to air dry away from direct heat. Make sure seams and hems are smooth to retain shape. If a garment feels felted or has shrunk, stop further machine use. Do a gentle wool soak with conditioner or specialized restorer, or consult the care label and consider professional help. This tip saves a favorite sweater from permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.